We have delivered this Clessidra Oven made by Rosso in Italy. This was delivered for a customer in Syosset, New York. This platform used to be an old oven. We modified it and removed the old oven and the top, and we created a platform with Fiorito travertine. We use a 2-inch coping on the outside and fill the center with the regular French pattern. This is the Clessidra Oven. It's set up for a pizza right now, and very beautiful shaped oven. It also comes with its own stand, but we used this existing platform to place the oven. That's the wood holder that comes with the oven. This is the light on this side, and all this equipment comes with the oven. This is to cook in the oven. These are the 3 trays and the rack to hold one of the trays. These homeowners gonna have a lot of fun. They've been using the oven for a very, very long time, and now they replaced it with the old oven with the new Clessidra Rosso oven, delivered by Gappsi in Smithtown, New York.